All right, so in this video, we're gonna look at some examples of deciding whether or not a point is on the graph of the equation, and then also we're gonna find the x and y intercepts and just sketch a quick graph. So the first question is 2x minus y equals 7. And the question is the point 2, -3 on the graph of this line? So 2 is our x value, -3 is our y value, so we're going to plug those in. So we'll have 2 times 2 minus, notice this is a -3, so I'm going to put that in parentheses, equals 7. Well, 2 times 2 is 4. Subtracting a negative is the same thing as adding. And 4 plus 3 is 7, and it is true that 7 equals 7. So yes, that point is on the line 2x minus y equals 7. Another example is 4x plus y equals 11. That's a 4. Same question, is the point 2, -3 on this line? So again, 2 is our x. So we're going to take the x out, plug in a 2. Y is -3. 4 times 2 is 8. Adding a negative is the same thing as subtracting. And 8 minus 3 is 5. 5 does not equal 11. So no, that is not on the line 4x plus y equals 11. So that's one type of question you might be asked about for equations of linear functions in standard form. Another is just to find the x and y intercepts. So let's see if our equation is 2x minus 5y equals 10. So step 1 is you're going to plug in 0 for x. That is going to find you the y-intercept. So if I plug 0 in here, I'll have 2 times 0 minus 5y equals 10. Well, 2 times 0 is 0, so I'll have -5y equals 10. Divide both sides by -5, so y equals -2. So we found our y-intercept, and the ordered pair for a y-intercept, the x value is 0. So it's going to be 0, that's what we plugged in here, 0, comma, -2. Step 2, we're going to plug in 0 for y. That's going to give us our x-intercept. Let's see, I think I've got some room over here. All right, so same equation to start with. 2x minus 5y equals 10, but this time we're plugging 0 in for the y. So we'll have 2x minus 5 times 0 equals 10. Well, 5 times 0 is 0, so 2x equals 10. Divide both sides by 2, so x equals 5. So we're finding our x-intercept. So in an x-intercept, the y value is 0. So 5 is our x and 0 is our y. So if a question just asks you to find the intercepts, well, there they are. And then if a question asks you to graph using the x and y intercepts, well, you found those 2 points. So now you can make yourself a lovely graph here. So we've got 0, -2. We'll say that's 0, -2. And 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0. And so that would be our sketch of that line using the intercepts. Now, if this is on the computer, that's really nice because you can just like do the 2 dots and then connect them and not worry about if you're making a straight line or not. We'll do one more example of that. So let's see. Let's say our equation is 7x plus 2y equals -14. All right, so the question is find the x and y intercepts and then graph. So again, to find the y-intercept, we're going to plug 0 in for x. So 7 times 0 plus 2y equals negative 14. Well, 7 times 0 is 0, so that just leaves us with 2y equals negative 14. Divide both sides by 2, y equals negative 7. So the ordered pair, we plug 0 in for x, and we got negative 7 for the y. Same equation, this time we're going to plug 0 in for the y. So 7x plus 2 times 0 equals negative 14. 2 times 0 is just 0, so 7x equals negative 14. Divide by 7, so x equals negative 2. So that was your x-intercept. Sorry, your y-intercept. So the x value is negative 2 and the y value is 0, meaning we're going down 2, we're not going left or right. So we've got those two ordered pairs. Noticing that they're both negative. We'll include more negatives in our picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, so 0, negative 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is right there. And negative 2, 0 is right here. And so when we connect the dots, we get a line like such. Hope that helps. And I'll see you guys back on Wednesday.